everybody, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing an install today. It's going to be on this Perrin front license plate relocation kit. I went ahead and purchased it right about there. So I actually have two of them, and I'm going to explain why that is here in a second. But it's basically just going to go right about here. It's going to look really nice, I hope. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, and also let's explain why I have two of them. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this front license plate relocation kit. Now I am getting low on sunlight. It's about 7 o'clock, so I'm going to do my best to try to do this as quick as possible, so that way the lighting doesn't get very terrible for this video. Let's unbox this one, show you what this one's about. These two are different kits. So basically, one is for a front mount intercooler version, and the other one is if you don't have a front mount, so that way you can use your OEM crash beam or crash bar. So this one right here is going to be the one that is for the non-front mount intercooler version, so you can just use the tow hitch on your car, screw that in, put the little bracket on, and you're good to go. This one, on the other hand, is with the front mount intercooler, and that's the one I'm going to be needing to use on this car, because as you guys can see, the pipes right there, I do have a front mount intercooler on this car. Now I made a mistake when I first purchased this bracket or relocation kit. I accidentally bought the one that's not for a front mount intercooler, so I don't actually have that area to screw in a tow hook anymore. So I actually had to go ahead and purchase this one right here, which will work with my car, because this one will basically just mount to the bumper instead of having to screw into the tow hook area. But I'll show you guys the difference between the two. So this is for 18 plus WRX or STI. Really quickly, I'm just going to show you inside. That's what the bracket looks like. Just uses this guy right here to screw into your bumper or to your crash bar, and then you go ahead and put the actual bracket onto this. So I'm not able to use this one because I don't have my crash beam anymore. So what I'm going to do is actually give this one away to one of you guys. So if you guys are interested in winning this free of charge, I'll ship it to you and everything. All you really have to do is just like, comment, and subscribe like any other giveaway on YouTube. That way I know who to give it to, and I am able to choose out of those people. And also I want to give it to a subscriber. So if you guys are interested in getting this license plate relocation kit by Perrin, go ahead and enter the giveaway, and I'm going to choose one of you lucky winners to get this shipped directly from me. Now let's go ahead and put this one away somewhere safe, because one of you guys will receive this. But keep in mind, it is for an 18 plus WRX or STI. There's probably slight differences just because the bumper's a little different, so maybe the way it curves or something, I'm not sure. Maybe it'll still work on the previous years and models. If you guys just want it, I don't care who enters. If you win, you win. I don't care what you do with it at that point. But this is the one that I will be using. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys, show you what comes in the box, and let's get straight to the install. Okay, so in the box we have this Perrin license plate frame. So the difference between this one and the other version is this doesn't come with that bar that you screw into your crash beam or where your tow hook goes. This comes with these two little plates or adapters. One goes on one side of the bumper, one goes on the other side of the bumper, basically where the cover is for the tow hook. And that's the way that we're going to go ahead and mount this guy. So that's what's in this bag right here. Probably some instructions as well. So inside of this bag you get your metal bracket, you get one spacer, you get a couple washers. Looks like you get 6 washers. One of the big bolts that will go right here. Got a couple other bolts, and it looks like a nut. That's about it. It's pretty simple. The install should be pretty simple as well. So let's get straight into it. Got this clip removal tool. Now let's go ahead and pop this guy out without trying to damage the paint, best that we can. Yeah, okay, so that's not gonna happen. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get my hand back there to this little piece. Let's pop this little guy out. I'm not gonna need him anymore. Put this in the box. Now let's see here. There's a little bit of room. If I can stick my hand into here and reach this, I'll be able to do it. But I just figured with all this in the way, it ain't happening, but let's see what we can do. Because I do need decent leverage here. No, that's not gonna happen, no, not at all. Okay, I'm really not trying to remove this front bumper. That's just gonna be extra work. If I could just take off the plastic underneath this and get in from underneath, that's gonna be an option right there. So let's go ahead and use this clip removal tool. Let's get straight to it. It might be a possibility. All right, let's just see if we can work with that. It'll be really nice if we can. Yeah, I think we can do that. All right, let's get the materials out. Let's get the hardware out. Let's get to working. Okay, first thing is first. Let's go ahead and grab some of this hardware out of here. We got the spacer, got the big bolt, the nut for the bolt, a bunch of washers. All right, some crush washers. These are probably for the license plate, so I won't focus on those right now. And so are these little bolts. Cool to give you a little Allen key. It's always nice to have. And we won't need this right now. So we're gonna need to take these guys out right here. Now keep in mind, yeah, I have to. Not sure if you could hear that car, but I got to deal with that all the time. I live right by the road. So let's go ahead and pop these guys out. Keep in mind, you guys, I have not watched any videos on how to install this. So I'm going to have to figure it out right now and on a limited time. Dude, can people chill out with the cars right now? So these are the two pieces right here that we're going to need to be installing. This one goes on the back of the bumper. This one goes onto the front of the bumper. Now they both have this little bend going in on the piece. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. So it's not really possible to get the orientation wrong. You just got to line it up with this little crease on the bumper. Keep in mind, this one goes on the back. This one goes onto the front. It only actually goes in one way. If you need this bend to follow the bend of the bumper, it's only going to fit like this. That's the only way that on the back is that it's going to line up. If you have the part number facing you, it's not going to line up because, as you can see, the bend goes that way. So we're going to have to, it's made out of metal, as you guys can hear. Just, you know, testing it out for you. So part number facing the engine bay, we're going to go ahead and slap this guy in like so on the rear of the bumper. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's how that one goes in there. Now same goes for this, part number facing away from you. This guy gets installed like so. Let's go ahead and open up this bracket. Let's get to installing this guy. Alright, now it's about figuring out the right way to put this on there. It's looking like that's not right. But that looks like that's the right way to do it. Alright, so I'm assuming that the Perrin logos have to face you, or, you know, otherwise it makes no sense that they're being covered up. If I put it on like so, it's not really the right shape, but if I put it on like this, it goes more with the flow of the car. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna grab the bolt, grab one of the washers, put that onto the bolt, put that onto the bracket, put another washer on the other side of this bolt, grab the spacer. Now I think they just gave a bunch of extra washers basically, so you don't have to use them all. So I grabbed the bolt, got a washer, got another washer on the back, got a spacer. I don't think I need another washer here, so I'm not going to use one. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this through here, through the hole. Going to use another washer on the back side of this, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten it down with this nut. So let me go ahead and do that without having this piece fall out. Do my best here. Hopefully I'm not going to scratch the shit out of my bumper while I'm doing this. So I'm putting the washer on the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw the nut on. It's always fun to work with limited room. Brought this on myself, the hand tighten as much as I could. Now the way I'm going to install this is as low as it possibly can go, which would be about right here. Get it visually straight. Looks pretty straight to me right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. So let me go grab my tools. Let's get this guy tightened down and we're basically finished. It's that simple. Alright, ain't nobody got time to find the right size. First thing I saw was this, so we're gonna go ahead and use it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hold it with your hand. I'm gonna have to go get a tool for that. I'll be right back. Alright, looks like it's a 17. Let's go ahead and slap this sucker in the back, and then we're gonna get this one from the front. It's pretty tight right there. I don't think it's going anywhere. The license plate ends up shifting a lot from hitting bumps and stuff. I'll go ahead and tighten that some more later. Let's go ahead and get the license plate on there. Now I feel like I did this wrong. Now hold up, if I'm trying to install my license plate, right? You guys listening? This bolt sticks out too much. I did something wrong. So I did do it backwards. Son of a... Alright, never mind. Scratch everything I just did. Taking this off, flipping it around, seeing if that solves the issue, because the license plate is going to be curved. There's no way that's right. Is that right, Perrin? If I had it right the first time and I'm doing it wrong now by flipping it, I'm going to be flipping it, if you know what I'm saying. So that's not going to work. And that probably will. Alright, so I guess this is the proper way to install it right here. Not with the Perrin logos facing you. Don't ask me why, but you gotta hide the Perrin logos. Then you gotta install it this way. Alright, attempt number 2, let's get it. Don't got much time to waste. I went ahead and set my ratchet back there and prepped it up against something so it won't move. While I tighten her up. Okay, well that looks straight to me. Now let's go ahead and slap this license plate on and see if that works. Yeah, it looks like it works, but there's such a big gap here now, and that's not looking too good. Not looking too good. But yeah, that's the right way to do it, because now this will actually stay flat. I honestly don't even think I need to use this big ass spacer. I don't think I will use the big spacer. You know what that means. I'm gonna have to remove it once more. This is fun. This is supposed to be a quick job. I'm already scuffing it up. Good thing you won't see that. Or the Perrin logos. Haha, see what I did there? Because they're hidden? Yeah, okay. I think that's tight enough, you guys. That's gotta be tight enough. It's actually not. Now it's actually the spacers back there moving, not the bolt. So they do have a little bit of leeway to move back and forth. Let's hope that's not an issue. So now we can go ahead and slap this guy onto here. Yeah, so please let me know in the comments if I'm doing this wrong. Alright, so next thing that we're gonna be doing, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this license plate frame. So there's these 2 tabs. You just wanna grab your license plate and slide it in. Like so. Now you got the license plate. And then we can go ahead and get these on. So you wanna grab the bolt and the crush washer. And then just get it through there like so. So there's 1 down. Let's get the other one in there. 2 down. That would be 3. And then let's get the 4th one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these all tightened down nice and good. Now you don't want to strip these so you don't have to get them too tight, but just good enough. As you guys can see, it does move a little bit. Let's hope that's not a problem. Alright, you guys, so that right there is with it installed, and I really just hope to God I did it right, because that was kind of a pain in the ass. Probably would have been done about an hour ago if I just took the damn bumper off. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Doesn't cover up my front, my undercooler, which is perfect, and I actually got a front license plate now, so these cops can leave me alone. This is the kind of gap that I'm talking about from the side. Now that I look at it from the side, it almost looks like I did it wrong. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna upload this video anyways. You guys let me know if I did it wrong, if I'm not doing something how I'm supposed to be doing it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and watch some other people install this and see how they did it. If they did it completely different, I'm just gonna feel like a fool, but hey, we all learn from our mistakes, and I'll just upload another video of me doing it the right way if that's the case. License plate is on there, almost looks a little crooked. That's okay. Oh boy, what a day. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me just kind of annoying myself here today. That wasn't the funnest thing I've ever had to do, just because not much room to work there and I kept messing up. This is sometimes when you should look at instructions or videos beforehand on trying to install something, so this doesn't happen to you guys. Again, if you guys want to enter that giveaway for that other license plate relocation kit that I do have for the non-front mount intercooler version, so if you do have the crash bar and you guys are looking to relocate your front license plate, go ahead and enter that giveaway. You just gotta like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and pick somebody out of there. So from the day this video is uploaded, I'm gonna give it 2 weeks for people to enter, and then after 2 weeks, no matter what, the deadline is closed. So after this 2 weeks is up, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a winner for the giveaway. I'm gonna message them, hopefully get a response from them so I can go ahead and get the address to ship that out to them free of charge. I'll pay for shipping, everything. You'll just get this free Perrin license plate relocation from me, and I do hope you guys win this if you guys really want it. Like, I really hope somebody that is actually going to use it and need it wins this giveaway. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos because I do want to upload more videos. I'm trying to make more time in my schedule to film for you guys. Still got that cylinder for coolant mod that I got to get taken care of on this car, so I will make a little install video on that. There's some good videos already on YouTube about that. I'll still go ahead and make one just for you guys if you guys are interested. and many more videos to come. Let me know what kind of stuff you guys want to see. I'm going to be doing a mod overview of this car here soon, show you guys what's all done to the car, and I just want to use my camera some more. I got a new camera and I'm trying to learn how to use it properly. Oh, if you guys haven't noticed, I went to the Big Northwest meet and I went ahead and picked up this EBCS cover right here from Grimspeed. Why not? Just wanted to support them a little bit, so I got that to clean up my engine bay a little bit. I also got the battery tie down right there, as you guys can see. It's not the same color as my pipes, but it's gonna do, you know. It still pops a little bit, still looks good in the engine bay. I'm happy with it. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. You guys have a fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.